Everything's unfolding as it should, and I would be more grateful if I could. If the world is an image in my mind, then I can't complain about what I find.
Guys, welcome back again to Freedom with Fridah. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Fridah Nguku, and this is the best space for you. This face has become familiar in my channel. By now you know Mr. John D2. Once again, karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
I'm just trying to educate you guys, because in the process I'm also learning, and growing up we need to understand these things. We need to cover ourselves, we need to cover our properties, we need to be safe, because anything can happen. And today, guys, we want to dive into, if you wanted to get an insurance, what's the first thing you need to do, or how do you go about that? And then the second thing you're going to get into is life insurance, which is something, by the way, that appeared to me like a new thing. After I spoke with John, I was like, wait a minute, I don't know much about this thing. So let's start with, I want an insurance cover. I already know I want a health insurance cover, or maybe I want a life insurance cover. Let's talk about life, because that's what you want to discuss. What documents do I need? What do I need?
Okay, it's so simple. It's very easy. As long as you are applying for insurance, there is what we call KYC.
KYC. Naijuanga kwa bank tu peke yake.
So we have it now.
Oh, okay.
All right. Now, KYC is documents that identify you.
Ah.
All right. That is number one.
ID.
Your national ID
Yes.
is very important. Number two, there is your PIN.
Oh, KRA.
Yeah.
It's
KRA.
needed.
Oh yes.
Wow.
It's very important.
Okay.
Now, that is the basic documentation that's required. Number three, there is the form, the insurance form that you are supposed to fill.
in. Okay.
We call it application form because you are applying,
Yeah.
all right,
Yeah.
to be given
Something.
the insurance.
Yes. Which
cover.
is insurance.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwa form, what are some of the things they ask to know about you?
Well, they must know about you. They must know when you are born, and we also need to know.
Next of kin. Is that needed?
Yes,
Oh.
it's very important. It's very important. Number four, there is also about your health, because if you are talking about life insurance, it identifies very well with your health.
Oh yeah.
Because for obvious reasons,
Yeah.
you must apply for insurance when you are in good health.
Oh, yeah. So let's get into the life insurance. Tell us, what is life insurance, and what is there around life insurance? Because I think most people don't really know, me included, don't really know what is this life insurance. What am I insuring? What is this thing that I'm covering? So take us through.
Okay, with life insurance, there are very many types of life insurances, because we talk of children's education. It's also part of life insurance. Yes.
Oh, in case I die, my children's are covered.
Exactly.
Oh.
No, we don't cover them.
Oh.
We cover their
They are well about.
the education. The education.
So
it's related to education.
Oh, okay.
So you secure their education.
And that falls on life insurance.
Yes, it's on life.
Yeah.
All right. We have what we call whole life. Whole life. They are the oldest insurance covers that were given many years ago. The goodness about them is they cover you in the event you're not there. All right, you can find yourself. We work so
How are
hard.
they covering me in the event I'm not there? They are covering people
Oh,
in the
yes.
event I'm not there. Oh, they are
Yes,
covering.
let me tell you.
Wow.
Well, why do you work so hard?
For my legacy, my kids' kids.
Exactly. So what you would want to secure is their future in the event that
I'm not there.
you are not there.
Okay.
Because that's a very big secret.
Yeah.
That you don't know how long you're gonna live.
Yeah.
All right. You don't know how far that you would wish to take them for their education, because you can only achieve that when you're in good health and when you are working. So talk of maybe accident or just these sudden deaths that result from ailments. All right.
Yeah.
So that exposes your family.
My family.
But you have been working so hard to make sure that you give them.
Okay.
Would you want them to have it
No.
only when
when I'm there.
Surely.
Yeah, surely.
Okay, that whole life, and it's very cheap. It's the cheapest.
How much is it?
Well, like with 2,000 per month, you can have a cover of more than $1 million.
Oh, so
At your age, yes.
like I have like 2,000 every month. It covers me for approximately $1 million for a year.
No, you
It
know,
covers
we, are
like
we call it whole life.
Yes.
You know, it covers you as long as you are paying.
I'm paying. Ah, okay.
Right? Or, you know, there are some companies that say you can contribute up to the age of 60, 65. You know, after that, you don't pay for it, but the cover still continues.
Ah, okay.
There are other companies that may say that we will cover you until when you are 100 years. If you live beyond 100 years, you will not pay for it. It's free of charge.
Very few get there.
Yeah, but the few who do,
Yeah, they enjoy. Okay.
yes.
So that's all that life covers. Life insurance covers.
Not really. We were talking about them. You know, the examples of
Yeah.
life insurance.
Okay.
The others are types of endowments.
Okay.
All right. You also know about credit insurance, the insurance that you take when you have a loan with a bank or with a credit, the
Facility,
SACCO
yeah.
or any finance company. That's also a part of
Life
insurance.
Wow. Then there are many.
Oh yes, there are very
There are
many.
many.
And the other type of life insurance is like health insurance. It's type of it's another type of life insurance because it covers you and it secures your bills in the event you are hospitalized.
Okay.
Now the other type of life insurance is when it's partial because it covers one element in life insurance, and that's what we call the personal accident. It only covers in the event you have an accident.
And I think that's what people actually, when you hear about life insurance, that's the first thing that comes to our mind. That maybe I've had that accident that has happened, maybe that's where it comes in. And we'll talk more about that so people can understand. That the personal accident.
The personal accident.
Yeah.
The personal accident is a very simple cover. It's the cheapest of all. And you
Kwanza,
may be
what
shocked.
does it cover, Kwanza?
Okay, it covers a series of benefits starting from death resulting from an accident. It also covers a total and permanent disability resulting from an accident. It also covers a disability income or temporary total disability. That is in the event you sleep, you fracture your leg, your arm, it covers your income up to 2 years.
Wow.
Oh yes, it's a very good cover.
Hey, how much
Very
is it? Ian, by the way, we need to go for it. Derek is behind the camera. Derek, we need to go and get that insurance. How much does it go for?
Well, it's the cheapest. You can. It starts from 1,000. It goes to whatever the amount, depending on your ability.
So imagine you can cover yourself from maybe if this thing falls on me and
Oh yes.
my eyes can't see.
Oh yes.
It covers there. Guys, you need to look for that cover. If you can have 1,000 bob monthly and cover
Not
yourself
monthly.
over this
We are talking about
yearly.
You pay once for the 12 months.
Oh God, guys, this is even getting interesting. 1,000 or maybe 2,000 a year.
Oh yes.
Wow. And then that can cover for me for 2 years in case I'm jobless, something happened and I'm not able to work. It covers that.
It covers that.
Guys, www.sazetinsurance.com. I have to repeat that because you guys need to log in and book yourself an appointment so that you can get this information in details at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much. That was so educative. Like, I am also learning, guys, with you. Like, there are so many things I don't know about insurance, and we are happy that you join us and give us all this information. So thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Next time tutakutafuta, by the way. So guys, make sure you look for John. Imagine you can just reach him through the site and he will be able to give you all the information, the claims, the what, anything insurance. Like, when you see him, you see what?
You say insurance.
You see insurance.
When you think,
it's him. So before we end, Derek, do you have something you could probably ask about insurance? Could ask John.
Yeah, can somebody be denied insurance? Like, is there somebody who does not qualify to be insured?
in the first instance, no.
Okay.
Everybody qualifies for insurance. The only time that insurance company can repudiate to your application is on the basis of the inconsistency in the information that you give to them.
Okay. I'm giving information that I gave before, it's not adding up.
Yes.
Okay.
If you do that, the company can always repudiate that application. Yes.
All right. So it means everyone can actually, unless
Yes.
you have tendencies of not being yourself. For lack of a better word. Thank you so much, guys. So remember, anyone who is above 18,
yes.
applying, that is.
Applying.
I can apply
Yes.
for a toddler, but
Yes.
I have to be over 18.
We call it the majority age. When you are of majority age, attained the majority age, anybody can engage in that contract.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Stay focused, stay positive, and see you on my